So far, you have a basic app with a layout for the main activity. You also have an overview of Video View class. Now it's time to concentrate on how and where your app will find the videos it must play. Android has a built-in class specifically for locating files. It's called URI, which stands for Uniform Resource Identifier. This is essentially the file path and the description of the resource you want to locate. A URI identifies a resource either by location, name, or both. Take note that a resource can be any type of file. It can be an image, video, or music file. Since I am building a video player, I will demonstrate how to find an MP4 video file. Let's open Android Studio to explore how to locate a video file with URI. Before I demonstrate how to find assets from within your Kotlin code, I need to add the video files to my project folder. Remember, I want to play videos within the app that I'm developing instead of selecting them from a user's device. To do that, I need to create a specific folder in which the video files can be saved. I right-click on the Res folder, go to New and select New Android Resource Directory. Notice that there is also an option that says Directory. What's the difference? When I use a new Android Resource Directory, Android recognizes all files saved there as resources and assigns unique IDs to each item. These IDs help Android identify a resource whenever a developer needs to reference it. On the other hand, a directory folder is just a regular folder, and Android will not assign IDs to the files saved in it. Next, I need to specify the resource type, which in this case is RAW. Notice that the directory name automatically changes to RAW when you select RAW as the resource type. Click on OK. The RAW folder is now in the Res folder, and I can add a video file to it. I simply drag a sample video file into the RAW folder. When you add assets, Android Studio will ask you if you want to change the name of the file. To keep the file name the same, click on Refactor. Test.mp4 is now in the RAW folder. The question is now, how do you make a reference to test.mp4 from within your Kotlin code? I have the main activity Kotlin file open, and I will now paste a code snippet into it and then explain what it does. This code will make a reference to the file because it specifies where to find it. First, it specifies that it is an Android resource. Then, it specifies the package name, which in this case is com.example. And lastly, it specifies to retrieve the file test from this directory. Make sure that you do not add the file extension. Android automatically recognizes the file as a video file because it's added to the RAW folder inside the Android resource folder. You should now be familiar with how to create an Android resource folder and add files to it. You should also now know how to reference files saved in this folder from within your Kotlin code. Later, you will learn how to create a video application and then play the video right within the application.